A man sells 3 articles at same price. First article at 20% profit, second at 10% loss, and third at 25% loss. During the entire transaction, he bears the loss of rupees 120. Find the SP of each article. So here also we have been given 3 articles, the sales price is same. So let us make the 3 scenarios. Scenario 1, scenario 2, scenario 3, CP, profit loss, and SP. So in first he is making 20% profit. So 20% matlab 1 upon 5. 5 is CP, 1 is profit, SP is 6. Very good. Second, 10% loss. So 10% loss is 1 upon 10. 10 is CP, 1 is loss, SP is 9. And third at 25% loss, 25% loss is 1 by 4, which means 4 is CP, 1 is loss, SP is 3. Correct? So now, another clue that has been given was, so this was also loss, this was also loss, and this was profit. So I will make a sign here. During the whole transaction. So now let us try to make the SP same, because I have been told the selling price is same here. So let us try to find out the LCM. So LCM would be 2 into 3 square, 9 into 2, 18. So I will multiply this ratio by 3, this by 2, and this by 6. So once I do that, this will become 15, this will become plus 3, this will become 18. This will become 20, this will become minus 2, this will become 18. This will become 24, this will become minus 6, and this will become 18. So I made SP same in all the cases. So this is my plus 3 profit, 2 profit, and 6 loss, 2 loss and 6 loss. So now the overall profit and loss, if I do 3 minus 8 minus 5, and which corresponds to 120. So 1 will correspond to 24. So what will 18 correspond to? 18 into 24. So if I calculate this, 2, 3, 7, 6, 1. So 432 is the SP of each article. Okay. A man buys 2 chairs for rupees 810 by selling one at 3/4 of its cost and other at 4/3 of cost. He makes profit of 121.5. Find the higher cost price. So let us see. So he's bought 2 chairs, chair 1 and chair 2. So let us say X and Y. The cost of chair was 810. So first he sold at SP1 is 3 by 4 of CP1, which means CP1 upon SP1 is 4 by 3, which means here CP was 4, SP was 3, so he made a loss of 1. एक का loss किया. Sorry, this is SP1. इसका X थोड़ा, right? Now in second scenario, CP2 and SP2, he sold SP2 was 4 by 3 of CP2. So which means CP2 upon SP2 is 3 by 4. So your CP is 3, profit is 1, and SP is 4. Right? So if you see, he's making a loss of 1 over 4, which means here it did a 25% loss. Here he is doing loss of 1 over profit of 1 over 3. So he is doing profit of 33 1 by 3. Or we can say, let us keep 1 by 4 and let us keep 1 by 6 only, 1 by 3 only. Right? And in the overall transaction, he is making a profit of 121.5. So 121.5 over 810 into 100, because total cost is 810. So we'll find out the overall profit. So this will be 1215 into 10 upon 810. So this will be 1215 upon 81. 9 9s are 9 1s are 31, 9 3s are 27, 35. 9 1s are 9, 15. So he's making a 15% profit overall. So I will make this scenario. So first CP is X, second CP is Y. In this, he's making 25% loss. In this, or maybe I can say minus 1/4, and here it is 1/3, and in overall transaction is making 15% profit, which is 3/20. Right? Now let us see. Let us do this by alligation. So I will do it. 1/3 minus 3/20 is the difference between these two prices, and here 3/20 plus 1/4. So this will be 20 minus 9, 11 upon 60, and this will be 8 upon 20. So I'll just cancel this 0. Let's calculate the ratio. So this will be 3, 11 is to 24. So the ratio of X upon Y, the cost ratio, is equal to 11 upon 24, the difference between the rates. But now I am being given the value of X plus Y as 810, and the ratio quantity is 35. So 35 corresponds to 810. And I am being asked to find the higher cost price. So higher cost price is niche wala 24. What will be the value of 24? So it will be 24 upon 35 into 810. So it's going to be a calculation. 7 से जाएगा ये, 7 1 जा 7, 11 नहीं जाएगा, 7 5 5 1 जा 5, 31 6 162. So we'll have to actually calculate this value. So the price would be 162 into 24 divided by 7. 7 2 is a 14, 22, 7 3 is a 21, 1. 23.1. So it will be approximately 23.1 into 24. So we can calculate this value and get the answer. Okay, let's move next ahead. A man sells a pen at 5% loss and book at 15% profit, and he gets rupees 7. If he sells the pen at 5% profit and book at 10% profit, he gets 6 more. So he's talking about pen and he's talking about book. First, he's selling 5% pen at loss and book at 15% profit. So he's overall earning profit 7 rupees. And in second scenario, when he's selling pen at 5% profit and book at 10% profit, he's getting 6 more. 6 more means 6 more on 7. So he's getting 13. So I want to find the price of book and pen. 4 options are given to us. So let us understand. Let us take this option. So if it is being selling at 5% loss, so minus 16 का लॉस हुआ, और 15% प्रॉफिट मतलब 15 का प्रॉफिट हुआ. So this scenario is not there because it is not amounting to 7. Let us take this. He's selling at 5% loss, which means 5 minus 5, and here it is selling at 15% profit. So 15% profit on 8 is 3/20, 12. So 12 minus 5, 7. तो ये scenario तो सही आ गया. In second scenario, if I say he sells pen at 5% profit, so he will sell at 5 and book at 10% profit, so he will sell it at 8. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So वो भी match हो रहा है because 7 plus 6 13. So I think by option we can click this scenario. That is answer. Okay. Hello students. I hope you like this video. You like the concept, the way I taught you. If you have any queries, please get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number, and please do subscribe on my YouTube channel so that I remain motivated and bring lot of such videos for you in future. Thank you so much.